Hello everyone! Welcome again to our channel, TPI-Inspection and Testing Services, Private Limited, a leading third-party testing, inspection, and certification company. Are you paying premium fees for a brand name or multinational corporation without getting the quality deliverables you deserve? Let's discuss a crucial aspect of inspection services, creating accurate inspection visit reports. As a client, don't you think it's essential to ask, am I getting what I'm paying for? Your quality representatives rely solely on inspector reports to assess material quality. But what if the inspection agency engineer fails to convey findings accurately? What if, despite paying premium fees, you don't receive expected results? Moreover, are you getting reports within 12 hours after inspection completion, along with necessary backup documents for evaluation and review? Or are they delayed by more than 24 hours, impacting your urgent decisions? These questions are vital when hiring a third-party inspection agency. Have you considered prioritizing quality over brand names and multinational corporations? Remember, quality is key to excellence. Look beyond brand names. Prioritize timely deliverables that meet your expectations. At TPI, our engineers act as your eyes and ears at manufacturing workshops. We're committed to submitting visit reports within the same day or by the next day before 10 a.m. If you need reliable inspection services, contact us. Our experts are always available to help, understanding your product's value and striving to meet your expectations. Reach out to us today. Email projects@tporg.com, website https://tporg.com. Book your inquiry today.